guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle with 2 L's, and today I'm going to show you guys how I do my soft glam looks, because that's kind of the trend right now. Soft glam, something that's a little bit more matte, less shiny, and you know, the matte lips, the matte eyes. So I'm going to do the whole shebang for you guys today. So if you want to see how that comes out, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done my brows to save time, and I've already primed my face. So first thing I'm gonna do is to conceal, and this is a new step that I'm kind of integrating into my makeup routine. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade 53N. So it's a little bit close to my skin tone, but nothing too, you know, nothing too off. Next is foundation. Today I'm going to be using my favorite foundation combination, and that is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC50, and also the Milani 3-in-1 Perfect Conceal Foundation. And this is my favorite foundation combo ever, like ever. And then we're going to use this brush by e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, and I love using this for foundation because it just, I don't know, for some reason it just gets my face like super duper flawless. Next, I'm going to go in with this Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade 165, and this is the shade Deep Tan, and then blend that in with my beauty blender. I'm going to use that same brush I used for my foundation just to blend it out. Okay, next powder, I'm going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. This is like my favorite powder. Had this for a while, and I'm using the back of my beauty blender just to set my face. Then I'm just going to bake on the side of my nose just to make it, you know, a little bit more snatched. For my contour, I'm going to use bronzer since it's not like too harsh. So I'm going to use the Covergirl Full Spectrum Bronzer, and this is in the shade F120 Ebony. For eyes, I'm going to be using this Morphe 15H palette. Going in with this shade right here and a little bit of this shade as well. I'm going to be taking Manhattan, and I'm going to be using that in my crease instead of that other orangey shade. I'm going to be taking that on my lid as well. Be taking this shade right here and putting that a little bit more on my lid just to make it a little bit more bright. Oh wow, this is pigmented. This, holy shit, this, ooh. I'm really gonna use that brush that I used to apply that brown shade and just go right over it. Just to make it a little bit more soft. Draw a little simple line on my lashes, and I'm using the Hank & Henry Slick Witted Liner. So I applied my lashes off camera. Next, I'm going to take both of those crease shades and put them right on the lower lash line. The face is practically done, so next I'm going to spray my face and then work on my lips. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For the lips, I'm going in with this NYX pencil. This is the Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Downtown Beauty. And I'm also going to go in with the shade Club Hopper. For lipstick, I'm just going to go in with my concealer. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please give this a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments what you like to see from me this year. I'm trying to upload a lot more instead of just leaving you guys hanging. So just let me know. And then, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.